So I'm going to do this with a contrasting thread in hopes that you can see my stitches better, but I'll probably end up taking it out and redoing it with a nice matching thread. But what we're going to do to seal this up, I call it the zipper stitch. I think some people call it the mattress stitch or the ladder stitch. I call it the zipper stitch because it seems like a zipper to me. So I'm just using regular sewing thread again. And I'm going to knot on here on the corner. 1, 2, 3. So when we do the zipper stitch, the needle always stays in the same direction as the seam that we're sewing. It's never going to turn perpendicular. It always stays in the same direction. And I'm going to take, in my case, I have blue and yellow. So I'm going to take a little bite of the blue. Ouch. And then a little bite of the yellow. And I'm just catching that really top edge of the folded fabric. And then I'll take a little bite of the blue. Move that thread out of the way. And a little bite of the yellow. This is one of my favorite stitches. It's like magic. It can seal anything up. So you can see here, my needle is traveling horizontally from my perspective, but my stitches look vertical. Can you see them there? And after I've done maybe 3 or 4 little stitches, 3 or 4 bites on each side, I can pull the thread and watch how it zips it up. Zip, zips it right up. Even though I'm using a contrasting thread, I'm going to cut this tail later, but you can barely even see it, even though I'm using a contrasting color. So it really works magic. We use this a lot in 6th grade on the hand-sewn elephants too. So a little bite of the blue, and then a little bite of the yellow. And every, 3 or 4 stitches or so, pull that zipper shut. Zip it up all the way across.